I have an exciting news to share with all of you. I'll be launching a new product to a brand new brand. It's called Nature S Studio, shortened for Nature S. Nature S missions really to promote mental wellness through burning candles, and the candles really help us feel relaxed and calm and focused. I'm not sure about you, but when I usually feel very calm after when I burn candle during my journaling session. So I want to bring that tie back into the brand. All of our candles will be hand poured myself. All the ingredients are used in the candle is clean and does not contain any harmful chemical, which one of the number one priority for Nature S is that making sure that these ingredients are clean and very natural scent. Our candles are uniquely made, so every time when you burn a candle, there will be affirmation word appear on the wick. That being said, let's bring you to my mini studio and show you some of the candles. So first thing when you enter, this is my storage. It will have all the candles be stored in this section. And here are some of the completed candle, but pending on the label, which I'll be working on next. And here are some of the ones I already completed. They flip upside down because they're waiting on some lid. These are the upcoming line that I'll be releasing in my website. And of course, you know me, I love bubble tea, and one of them is mango bubble tea. So mango milk tea, it smells so delicious. And the next scent, which is super popular, and it's called the brown sugar milk tea. It smells just like the brown sugar milk tea. The next one is my favorite, and it's the green tea milk tea, matcha milk tea. It smells really good and it stays lingering in your room. I have put a lot of thoughts into the candle, how I can create and promote mental wellness. And that is every time when you open the candle, but to burn the candle, there is a word to remind yourself, to feel good about yourself and to relax, to stay calm. And every time when you feel stressed, and this is something reminds you of, or you're studying, this is a great way to kind of remind yourself. Slow down and breathe. If you look closely, probably in this one, you probably can't because I probably put too much candle there. There is a word says calm. Right now is the first edition. It will change over time, so the word will not be the same consistently. You will get a random candle with different words on there. So as you burn the wick, it will slowly review the next affirmation word. So for instance, this is what it looks like. First word you see is calm, the next is relax, believe, brave, smile, well, love, proud, and then Nature S logo. I'm really excited. I have put a lot of thought and planning in creating this amazing affirmation candle, which will help you feel good and be a better version of yourself. Yep, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this small mini studio and a little bit about myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comments below and let me know where you're from. Be interested to know where everyone is from. And that's about it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more planning related videos or other type of videos. I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.